Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company FastStaff. They're looking for a front-end recruiter. It pays up to $40,000 per year. The front-end recruiter works collaboratively with the recruiters. The front recruiter helps develop and build relationships, coordinates, and fills staffing opportunities within their respective healthcare facilities. The front-end recruiter will help qualify job openings received from assigned client facilities and relay such information to lead recruiter through internal methods including, but not limited to, emails, verbal communication, or the job openings report. Qualifications required: high school diploma or equivalent. Qualifications desired: prior experience in a healthcare or staffing environment. Prior experience working in a multi-company or divisional organization. Essential functions and responsibilities: places outgoing calls to potential healthcare professionals for recruiting purposes. Screens healthcare professional candidate submittals for accuracy. Accurately and thoroughly communicates all assignment and benefits details to travelers throughout the recruitment process to minimize traveler-initiated cancellations. Places qualified candidates with current and new clients nationally by actively sourcing qualified candidates and maintaining current database. Responsible for tracking acceptance extensions. Builds and fosters professional relationships with travelers while serving as a crucial career counselor and placement advisor throughout their employment with the company. Negotiates contract terms with candidates including offers of employment. Resolves travelers' employment issues and escalate them as needed. Exercises appropriate sales strategies based on travelers' needs. Conducts reference verifications. Performs additional duties as requested by management. Success factors: job competencies, commitment to organizational core values, integrity, compassion, and excellence. Demonstrates strong critical thinking, excellent time management and multitasking abilities, strong customer service, negotiating and interpersonal skills. Knowledgeable in the use of financial systems and Microsoft Office products. Pay range: $40,000 plus commission based on location, qualifications, and experience. Benefits package includes health, dental, vision, HSA, FSA, company paid life and disability insurance, 401 Kelvin W, employer match, paid time off, paid parental leave, and tuition reimbursement. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.